Hello, I will quickly explain how to enroll your principal entity ID in Smartping. Open Smartping link from email. Click on Enroll Entity. Copy-paste your entity ID from email. Select appropriate organization category. Now add address exactly as per GST certificate. In case of GST certificate not available, choose address proofs among the listed below and type address exactly as per proof. Upload company or proprietor PAN card. Select Goods and Service Tax Certificate as proof of address. Upload 3-page GST certificate. Make sure you upload 3-page GST certificate only. You can upload your website screenshot or trademark certificate in other documents. It will be useful for header or sender ID approval. Now proceed to authorized person information. This is very important. Type name of director or proprietor or partner. His name has to appear on last page of GST certificate. Upload his or her PAN card. In case of employer's authorized person, upload authorization document. Verify your mobile number by OTP. Submit form and save the registration number. Send this registration number in email reply to support@rapidsms.co.in. Now check your email. Open email from Penny. Click on link to verify your email ID. Now relax and wait for entity approval. You will receive an email from Penny as soon as your registration is approved. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. Subscribe now to view more useful videos from Rapidsms.